Hi guys, today I will be doing an unboxing of Cleef Arpels Alhambra necklace in 18 karat rose gold and black mother of pearl. So I just got back from Van Cleef boutique in New York City and I got this necklace. This is my receipt and this is the pouch that they gave me with this necklace. They told me that they were out of the small pouches that the smaller necklace typically comes with, and offered me this one, which is larger, but I really like this one. I think I will probably use this one, and I would use it even more than the smaller one. I think it will fit the pendant perfectly, and it secures it for traveling, so that's great. And then it comes with this little booklet. Let's see what's inside. So it's got the certificate of authenticity right here. Okay, with the number. And how to take care of the items, like a booklet. And now the last thing is the actual box with the necklace. It's packaged nicely. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Nice little box. And oops, ta-da. I actually went and picked it out a little bit over a week ago. I had them add 2 inches to the length. This is complimentary from Van Cleef. When you get your necklace, you can get an extra 2 inches of length added to your chain. I prefer this to sit a little bit lower than where it was sitting when I tried it on, so they told me about this, that they can add, you know, up to 2 inches, and I went ahead and got it done. Told me that it would take about 2 weeks. It actually just took a little bit over a week, and they let me know that it's ready. It's very pretty. You can see like a rainbow of colors. I don't know if the camera is picking it up. It looks more like a light gray on camera, but in real life it actually looks more like a rainbow. It like shines very pretty colors, and it's a little bit darker on this side, so maybe the camera will pick it up. So I'm trying to show you all the different colors. Not sure if it's picking it up. Okay, so let me, wow, it's so pretty in real life. I forgot how pretty it was. So I'm gonna pull it out and show you the new length. So originally I believe it's about 16 and a half inches. So with the additional 2 inches, now it's about 18 and a half. And so this one has the serial number and the little clasp that looks like this. Very nice clasp. And like I mentioned, it's in rose gold, which is what I love. Originally I went in there thinking that I would get the carnelian one. It comes in 18 karat yellow gold, and carnelian is like orangey red color, which looked very nice on me too. I really like that one as well. But when I decided to try the only one that comes in rose gold, which is this one, and I saw the rainbows in this mother of pearl, like online, the pictures don't do this necklace justice. It kind of just looks gray and boring, but when you see it in real life, you totally change your opinion on it. With the rainbow colors, like it looks so interesting, it looks so pretty, so shiny. And rose gold, I feel like just looks so nice on my skin tone. So yeah, I just went with this one. So this is my little unboxing and review of this necklace. Maybe I'll do another one once I get to wear it for a little bit and see, you know, how it feels to wear it maybe on a daily basis. I think you can kind of dress it up or dress it down depending on your outfit. I think it can work in both, you know, going out and kind of more casual atmosphere as well. So we'll see how it goes, but I'm very happy with this purchase. I've been living in New York City for 7 years now, and that was like a little treat to myself. So yeah, happy. Thank you so much for watching this. Hopefully this was helpful to someone, and have a great day.